Hey, and welcome to our next session about installing and setting your environment to development .NET application with MongoDB. Our minimum requirements are Windows 7 or later, MongoDB 3.6 or later, which is covered in another video that we prepared for you. Installing .NET framework 3.6 or later, 5.4 or later, which is covered inside the Mongo Compose installation, and of course access to the server that we defined before. What we actually do first is going to the download page and download the MongoDB Compose, which you can be seen in here. Okay, just download it. And once it's being opened, okay, once it's being finished, we can open the zip file, copy its content, okay, so once we extracted the files, we can click on the MongoDB Compass, and we get into the installation mode. We will accept the danger. And we can actually see the very nice guideline here. Okay, and here we just need to place the connection string that we used in our previous session, and we'll be able to start working on it. And we just enter our connection string and click on connect to connect the server. Microsoft will send us another warning. And as we can see in here, we can actually see our database, see diverse databases in here. We can create a new database. And we can as we can see, super simple. We have a data table in here. We can actually see its content. We can add data and etc. Super simple. And now we will be able to set up our second product. All that in our next video.